Hello guys, welcome back to Mom's Medicine. Today I'm making an infused hair tonic using rosemary, cinnamon, and avocado seed for healthy hair growth. Rosemary is known to stimulate hair growth, cleanse the scalp, increase shine, and relieve scalp issues. It encourages hair to grow faster by improving circulation in the scalp. Avocado seed is rich in essential nutrients and healthy fats. Help promote hair growth by nourishing the scalp with essential nutrients, improving blood circulation. Cinnamon may stimulate circulation. This could encourage hair growth and reduce hair loss. It also has antifungal properties. Apply tonic to hair. Do not rinse for best results.